Trading diary, January 11, 2 p.m. local time. Okay, so this week basically was about patience testing. Minus from 8,000, down from minus 8,000 to minus 3,000 unrealized. And honestly, it feels like a victory. Very happy about that. Finally, some of my positions is showing bullishness, and my mood is a little bit better than it was on Monday. And I think at this stage in life, altcoins is like little ducklings riding and following Bitcoin or whatever it goes. But if I wouldn't scale into positions I did, it would be stupid of me because it's part of my strategy. Proper break, proper retest, and I'm not in a position to miss. Okay, uh, let's jump back to Sui. I like Sui, I hold it on spot, but I am optimistically cautious because of this price action. I feel that until we properly break and stay strong above moving averages, uh, it is still a long way to go. And frankly, it feels like more downside. Even everybody celebrating crypto Twitter going crazy, small schizophrenia frenzy, but I'm not yet convinced. Even though I have right now perpetual positions, I'm going crazy, but optimistically cautious. And yeah, either way, I'm taking profits. I'm not waiting for like three, four, five. For that, I have spot positions. As soon as we taking reaching 220, 2.5 ideally. I think even 210, I'm going to scale out of my all perpetual positions because the similar pattern, the similar price action is almost everything. So either way, for now, I'm long perpetuals. Link, my favorite one, with all the bullishness news, BCTC, and everything else. I'm extremely bullish on that one. One of my favorites so far. Stops 8.2 billion market cap, and I think if Bitcoin or ETH is going to break this small retest and fall, so I think high likely I'm going to close all my perpetual positions because that will be a show of weakness like here, and I don't like that. Even though it's by the book setup, by the textbook setup on old alts, I would not be comfortable holding if we will have a decisive break after we just got a bull confirmation. I think basically that's it. Few words about Ripple because I love Ripple. Before, what the fuck? Let me delete it. Before I didn't really believe in Ripple, but after this year, like beginning of January and a few weeks before, like end of December, there's so much bullishness. Like I see Ripple as Bitcoin 2.0, though I'm very cautious whether it's going to achieve $10 or $20. Definitely possible, definitely on the menu, but I'm going to trade it mainly. I don't hold that much Ripple, but as a day trading, I like it. So far, it's one of the strongest assets after Bitcoin and SUI, holding strong, hoping for a proper bounce. But if I am optimistically cautious with SUI and say, if this one is going to drop even more, I'm not going to scale out, close some of positions. I'm going to hold, giving it give it more margin. In general, I don't like to flip flop on my positions. If I have made my mind, I'm going to hold until I close it in the profit or until I'm taking a loss. So that's it, done. There is no flip flopping. There's only some YouTubers like to flip flop. This is my trading diary, so I cannot flip flop on my own thoughts. Okay, I feel bad about this one about render because I've been thinking a lot about render and I just completely missed the trade. I hoped for a bigger correction. It didn't happen, and right now I do not know. I like the compression. It might be a good trade, might be a good long, but we're just basically retesting a maze. Though, if you're gonna break them and stay strong, it might be a very interesting trade. Definitely something I will be looking to take. Uh, Bengo, one of my best trades so far, and one of my favorite holdings of them all. I like the team, I like the product, I like the company, and honestly, it feels like a still proper bull, either on perpetual, either on spot. But definitely, I wouldn't recommend to anyone who is not comfortable losing money to trade on perpetuals. Take it on spot and forget. Okay, added more super recently. Very happy. If you if you're going to get more downside, I'm going to add more. I like the ecosystem and the bot, and planning to add to more C pool. Long term play, easy 15x, I think. Ideally to get more chop for me to accumulate more, but this one I'm ready to accumulate all the way down. Great team, great company, great product. Going to scale as we go. Avalanche, great trade. Didn't take because I think I'm already overexposed. I have it on spot, but I'm not going to overexpose myself. I already have enough. A proxy sui, Ripple, Link on perpetuals. It's more than enough. But yeah, it feels nice, feels good. But I just hope it doesn't happen like with Ondo because this is the weakness. I don't like it. Aing Aster on the breakout, not yet. But as soon as we reclaim it, staying strong, I'm going to go 10x, 20x perpetual. It's my style. I definitely don't recommend to anyone or even my friends to trade in perpetuals because I blew at least 3 or 4 accounts before I started earn something from perpetuals. So go to a spot, send spot only. Okay, this is just it was a nice fake out. I tried to trade it, but damn, it was painful. I like Beam, added it on spot, and I'm thinking to leverage it with a proper 5x, 10x. It's only like 13% downside, or like 15% to invalidation. Still thinking, hopefully, if I'm going to make some money in perpetuals next week, I think I'm going to transfer all that to and to scale into Beam. Jupiter is the same, one of my favorites. If Solana ecosystem is going to explode, and I think it will explode, it's easy 7, 10, 15x upside. I have it on spot, thinking to build small perpetual position, but again, I think I already have enough, because if Bitcoin, if that won't work and we're gonna see more downside, high likely I'm going to get liquidated on all of my positions that I currently hold in spot, and yeah, that will be unfortunate. Okay, that's it for today. Hopefully next week we're gonna see some good results, but for now that's it. Have a great evening, day, stay safe.